Here's a question. Have you ever been in a situation where someone said, "How are you?" and your brain just went completely blank? You knew the words, you've heard them 100 times, but in that moment, nothing came out. That frozen feeling is one of the most common struggles for English learners, and today, we fix it. Day 3 of our 30-day shadowing challenge is all about greetings and small talk. The conversations that happen every single day. And by the end of today, those phrases will live in your mouth, ready to come out automatically. Stay with us. Hello and welcome back to the Porchlight English, the podcast where we build your English confidence one day at a time, one conversation at a time. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Ryan. And day 3. You are on a streak. Day 1, you showed up. Day 2, you came back. Day 3, you are here again. That matters more than you know. Consistency is how language actually builds.
If this is your first time here, welcome. We are doing a 30-day English shadowing challenge together. Every day, one topic, one practice session, one step forward. Go back to day 1 first. We explain everything about shadowing there. Then come back and join us here.
Today's topic is greetings and small talk. And I know, some of you might think, I already know how to say hello. But today is not just about hello. It's about making those opening moments of a conversation feel natural, warm, and automatic. It's about never freezing again when someone says, "How are you?" Please follow or subscribe to the Porchlight English. New episode every day. Let's build day 3.
Let me tell you something that surprised me when I first started working with English learners. The thing that trips people up the most, it's not complex grammar, it's not advanced vocabulary. It's the very beginning of a conversation. That first 10 seconds when someone says hello and expects something back.
And there's a real reason for the freeze. When we're put on the spot in a second language, our brain can go into a kind of panic mode. Words we thought we knew seem to disappear. We know, fine, thank you, but even that feels hard to get out.
Shadowing solves this. When you shadow greetings and small talk phrases again and again, they stop being things you have to think about. They become automatic. They live in your mouth, ready. And when something is automatic, the panic disappears.
Think about learning to drive. The first time, every little thing required full concentration. Hands, feet, mirrors, speed, exhausting. But after months of practice, you just drive. You don't think about it. It happens. That's what we want for your English greetings. Automatic, easy, ready whenever you need them.
And here's something that might surprise you. Researchers who study communication have found that the ability to make comfortable small talk is one of the biggest factors in how people are perceived, as warm, likable, and easy to be around. Not impressive vocabulary, not perfect grammar, small talk, those first 2 minutes.
So this is not basic stuff. This is foundational. This is real. And getting it right changes everything about how you feel in English conversations.
Let's start with something that surprises a lot of learners. There are many different ways to ask, "How are you?" in English. And each one has a slightly different feel. Different levels of formality, different situations. Knowing them all makes you sound much more natural.
How are you? The classic. Works everywhere, always correct. How are you doing? A little more casual and warm. Very common in the US. How's it going? Friendly and relaxed, among friends and colleagues. What's up? Very casual. Use with friends or people your age. Not really for formal situations.
How have you been? This one is for when you haven't seen someone in a while. It asks about the period of time since you last met. How's everything? Warm and open, asking about life in general. How's life? Casual and relaxed, similar to how's everything?
And in British English specifically, you might hear, "You all right?" Which sounds strange if you're not used to it. It sounds like someone is asking if something is wrong, but it's just a friendly greeting. It means hello. How are you? Cultural context matters enormously.
The key thing to notice, none of these greetings stand alone. They come as a package, a greeting and a question together. Hey, how are you doing? Hi there, how's it going? Greeting plus question, always together. Today we practice them that way.
Now the other half, the response. Because a lot of learners practice greetings, but don't practice responses enough. And then someone says, "How are you?" And the greeting came out fine, but then silence while you try to think of what to say back.
The most common learner response, I am fine, thank you, which is perfectly correct English, but in casual conversation, it sounds a little stiff, a little formal, like a textbook sentence.
More natural options. "I'm good, thanks." Short, warm, easy. "Pretty good, you?" Notice the you at the end. Essential. "Not bad, how about you?" Honest and friendly. "Doing well, thanks." A little more polished.
And that you, or how about you, at the end, this is what I call the bounce back. In English small talk, we almost always bounce the question back. It's like a ball. You catch it and you throw it right back. I'm good. You? Not bad. How about you? If you just answer and stop, the conversation dies. The bounce back keeps it alive.
Some more casual responses. "Can't complain." "Things are fine. Nothing to complain about." "Living the dream." Often said with gentle humor when things are busy. "Same old, same old." Nothing has changed. Things are as usual. "Hanging in there." Things are a bit tough, but I'm managing. Not giving up.
Each of these carries a different shade of feeling, and knowing them all means you can choose the one that fits your actual mood. Real English, real feeling, not just one stock answer every time.
After the greeting and the response, what do you actually talk about? This is where many people freeze. The greeting went okay, but then, what's next?
The most famous small talk topic in English, and especially in British English, is the weather. It sounds almost like a cliche, but it works, and there's a real reason why.
Everyone experiences the weather. You don't need to know anything personal about the other person. It's always there. It's always safe. Nobody gets upset about the weather. They might complain about it, but that's actually part of the fun.
When someone says, lovely day, isn't it? They're not really talking about sunshine. They're saying, I see you, I'm friendly, I'm happy to connect. It's a social handshake, not a meteorology lesson.
Other easy, safe small talk topics. The weekend. Did you have a good weekend? Or, any plans for the weekend? Work or study. How's work going? Or, how are your studies? Food. Have you eaten yet? Or, do you know any good places near here? A genuine compliment. I really like your jacket. Or, that's a great bag.
That last one, a genuine kind compliment, is one of the most underused small talk openers. It starts the conversation with warmth and positivity right away. 0 to warm in about 5 seconds. People light up when someone notices something good about them. Now it's time to actually do it. We're going to practice in rounds. I'll say each phrase twice, shadow after me. Put a warm, friendly tone in your voice. Imagine you're actually talking to someone you like. Ready?
Hey, how are you doing today? Hey, how are you doing today? Hi there, it's so good to see you. Hi there, it's so good to see you. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Good morning. How's everything going? Good morning. How's everything going? Hi, how's it going? Anything new with you? Hi, how's it going? Anything new with you?
I'm doing really well, thanks. How about you? I'm doing really well, thanks. How about you? Not bad at all. Pretty good, you? Not bad at all. Pretty good, you? I've been great, honestly. How have you been? I've been great, honestly. How have you been? Can't complain. Things are going well. And you? Can't complain. Things are going well. And you? Hanging in there. Busy week. How are you doing? Hanging in there. Busy week. How are you doing?
Did you notice the bounce back at the end of every response? How about you? And you? How have you been? That bounce keeps the conversation alive. Practice it until it comes automatically.
Now let's shadow some small talk topic sentences, the ones you'd actually use after the greeting. Ryan, give us the weather set first.
It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it? It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it? Can you believe this weather? I love it. Can you believe this weather? I love it. It's a bit cold today, but at least it's sunny. It's a bit cold today, but at least it's sunny. The weather's been so unpredictable lately, hasn't it? The weather's been so unpredictable lately, hasn't it?
Did you have a good weekend? Do anything fun? Did you have a good weekend? Do anything fun? Yeah, I mostly just relaxed. It was really nice. How about you? Yeah, I mostly just relaxed. It was really nice. How about you? Any plans for this weekend coming up? Any plans for this weekend coming up? Oh, nothing exciting. Just catching up on things. The usual. Oh, nothing exciting. Just catching up on things. The usual.
I really like your bag. Where did you get it? I really like your bag. Where did you get it? That's a great jacket. Really suits you. That's a great jacket. Really suits you. Your English sounds so natural. How long have you been learning? Your English sounds so natural. How long have you been learning?
Now let's put it all together. A full small talk conversation. I'll be speaking with Ryan. Your job is to shadow Ryan's lines, out loud with feeling. Ready? Hey Ryan, I haven't seen you in ages. How have you been?
Oh, I've been really good actually. Things have been busy, but I can't complain. How about you? Oh, I've been really good actually. Things have been busy, but I can't complain. How about you?
Same here, honestly. Work's been full on. Hey, beautiful day today though, isn't it?
It really is. I love days like this. It makes the whole city feel different. It really is. I love days like this. It makes the whole city feel different.
Totally. Hey, we should catch up properly sometime. It would be really lovely.
Yes, absolutely. Let's actually make it happen this time. Yes, absolutely. Let's actually make it happen this time.
Deal. All right, I'll let you get on. Great to see you.
You too. Take care. Have a great rest of your day. You too. Take care. Have a great rest of your day.
How did that feel? Did you notice? Nothing complicated in that conversation. Simple words, warm tone, but it felt like a real connection. That is what fluent small talk sounds like. Not impressive, just natural.
And the phrase, let's actually make it happen this time. That's a very natural, slightly self-aware phrase. It acknowledges that people often say we should catch up, but don't. It sounds real. It sounds human. That's the kind of detail that makes your English feel alive.
Your homework for day 3 is simple. and real. Today, try one small talk conversation, just one, with anyone. A family member, a neighbor, a colleague, a shopkeeper, anyone.
3 steps, that's all. Step 1. Start with a greeting. Hey, how are you? Or, hi, how's it going? Step 2. Respond and bounce back. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Step 3. Add one small talk topic. The weather, the weekend, a compliment, anything.
3 steps: greeting, bounce, topic. And if you feel nervous, that's completely normal. Do it anyway. Because nervous plus doing it anyway is exactly how habits get built.
And come to the comments and tell us how it went. Did you try it? What did you say? How did it feel? We read every single comment, and your experience helps other learners in this community too.
3 big takeaways from day 3.
1. Greetings and small talk are not basic. They are foundational. Getting them automatic prevents the freeze and changes how confident you feel in every English conversation.
2. Always bounce the question back. After, I'm good, add, how about you? Keep the conversation alive. That bounce is the difference between a greeting and a conversation.
3. Small talk topics are easy and always available. The weather, the weekend, a genuine compliment. You don't need to be clever or impressive. You just need to be warm and present.
Day 4 is coming. We're going to build on this. Deeper conversation, asking better questions, keeping people talking. Please follow or subscribe so you don't miss it. New episode every day for the full 30 days.
Thank you so much for being here on day 3. You're building something real, day by day. From the Porch Light English, keep the light on. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4.
Bye for now, and go practice your small talk.